How to fix Samsung camera turned green. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the problem where your Samsung phone's camera is turned green. So the first thing that you want to do is find a camera icon and then long press on this icon to go to the app info. So just tap on this eye icon to go to your app info. There might be various reasons why your camera is acting that way. So first thing that you want to do is head over to permissions and make sure all of these permissions are allowed, because if these permissions are not allowed to the camera, then the app won't be able to function properly. So make sure all of these are allowed, and then just go back and head over to storage. Now here you want to just clear cache and then try to clear data as well. So you can click on clear data. It will clear out the app and it will be refreshed. And then finally what you want to do is head over to battery and make sure that it's on optimized, because if it's on restricted, then the phone will restrict certain activities and the camera app won't be able to function smoothly. After doing this, your camera app should be fixed and it should be working normally. But if that still doesn't fixes it, then you can try to restart your phone, and after that your problem should be solved. But if that doesn't work, then there might be some hardware issues where you will have to take your phone to a repair shop in that case. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.